Here at Distinctive Details, we've been manufacturing automotive reconditioning products for over 25 years right here in the USA. We develop and manufacture our formulas in-house. Our products are designed with the professional in mind, knowing that great products can shorten the length of the job and increase your profitability. Sold through distributors, dealerships, wholesalers, and automotive stores across the country. We're known for our large, diverse line of high-quality products. We have a comprehensive private label program with custom blending capabilities. Whether you're looking to build your brand or represent ours, we make it easy for you, priding ourselves on our short turnaround times and great customer service. Ready to see what the distinctive difference is all about? Call or email us today to learn more.